Let's turn now and talk about weather. You
right.
actually have some new information just into the Weather Center.
This is literally breaking weather news. It just came down. We do have an enhanced risk now for severe weather for tonight. So I'm going to show you that in a moment. I have that brand new map for you. I'm going to tweet it out in a minute. It just happened as we were doing that story. So what you can expect tonight. Is it going to rain? Yes. Will it be severe? Potentially severe, especially depending on where you are. Should you cancel plans for today? No, this is an overnight deal. Tomorrow, we also have some more storms in the forecast. So this is what you may see. Tonight, this is a straight-lined wind event. What that means is that the thunderstorm pushes through and kind of pushes all that wind just right through the storm. You can get 60 to 70 mile an hour winds out of something like that. We also could see the potential of more of that, plus isolated tornadoes and downpours going into Tuesday. There are potential power outages, and I say that because the ground is very soft. Some areas have received 3 to 5 inches of rain, so that makes the trees a lot easier to topple over. Doesn't matter how fast those winds go, it's a lot easier for that to happen. So just something to keep in mind as we look at the next 36 hours. So storms overnight tonight. As I've been looking at weather models here over the past hour, this is trending later and later, which is going to make it worse because you will likely be sleeping. So I really want you to pay attention to the timeline. We have the potential of some of those storms now lingering into tomorrow morning and then another evening round of storms. We're good for 2 days. And then storms are back in the forecast. So here's Futurecast. I've loaded the new weather model here. It does highlight this. This is what we're watching. And I will tell you now, weather models do not handle systems like this very well. But I am noticing the potential of a straight line wind event. You see how it kind of just congeals here? Look at the timing. It is a lot later. So the fact that it comes in later, it's combining those two rounds I talked about this morning. And now it's just pushing its way through the state. That right there is your straight line wind event. I would say from midnight to 4 a.m. at this point, I would be my best guess as of right now based on what I'm seeing. This is round one of storms, but we're not done. This right here is the breaking weather news I was just talking about. We have now been added to an enhanced risk, which means a 3 out of 5 when it comes to severe weather potential. So that does actually bump us up into a greater risk of these stronger storms. You can see the yellow here is for everybody else in the 2 out of 5. And we do have another risk going into tomorrow evening as well. Storms likely firing along a cold front, and it's really hugging the state line at this point. Unfortunately, areas that were hit very hard, stretching from Grant County all the way to Kenosha, you are in the line of fire again for these strong storms in the forecast. This is likely going to be from about 7 p.m. to potentially midnight going into early Wednesday morning, and then we're done. The severe threat for tomorrow, as you can see here, is really just going to be around and along the state line. This is all going to ride on timing. I really want you guys to be aware of that. This timing, I mentioned earlier, it was going to change, and it already has changed since I talked to you this morning. A lot of rain over the last 5 days. We could see another 1.5 inches of rain during this situation, so I want you to keep that in mind as well. And the dew points, yeah, it's nasty tomorrow especially, and that's going to just add more fuel to the flames for some of those strong storms. So what I'm going to have to do today, you can see we're fine, but that little icon there for Tuesday, I might have to put an alert icon for specifically tonight, because now we're in that enhanced risk. We're in that 3 out of 5 risk, and that just came down from the Storm Prediction Center.
Yeah, so definitely need to be weather aware tonight into tomorrow, and really tomorrow as well.
Yep.
Yeah, Lindsay, thank you.